Solve. X squared plus y squared equals 10. X squared equals y squared plus 2. Since we have an x squared term in each one and a y squared term in each equation, let's solve using elimination. We write x squared plus y squared equals 10. And then for the second equation, we'll subtract y squared from both sides and get x squared minus y squared equals 2. When we add, that gives us 2x squared equals 12, or x squared equals 6. Using the principle of square roots, that gives us x equals plus or minus the square root of 6. Now this is two values of x. For each value of x, we need to find a corresponding value for y. So let's start with the positive square root of 6. We would have x squared plus y squared equals 10. That's the first equation. The square root of 6 squared plus y squared equals 10. 6 plus y squared equals 10. Subtracting 6 from both sides, y squared equals 4, or y equals plus or minus 2. Now, we started with a positive square root of 6, and we have two possibilities for y. That means we're going to have two ordered pairs here. When we go through the same process for negative square root of 6, we would have negative square root of 6 squared plus y squared equals 10. 6 plus y squared equals 10. Subtracting 6 from both sides, y squared equals 4. And again, we have y equals plus or minus 2. So what we end up with is 4 ordered pairs. And we have to list all 4 of those separately. The solutions are, we have square root of 6, 2. And the square root of 6 also went with negative 2. So that's 2 ordered pairs. And then negative square root of 6, 2, and negative square root of 6, negative 2.